IT industry is booming. You have a lot of opportunity coming up in data science, big data, full stack training. Technologies like blockchain is tremendously transforming in the industry now. And in Experts Lab, we don't do some testing or some side tracking like digital marketing or any other things. We focused on software development.
So data science is one of the most sought after skills of the 21st century. So data science is a process, or it's a field where we use a lot of algorithms, processes and systems in order to deal with noisy, unstructured and structured data. So mainly the aim is to get insights from this data using these technologies. So at Experts Lab, what we do is we basically reskill people who are from IT background and also from non-IT backgrounds in order to tackle these problems. So some of the tools and technologies that we'll be covering in Experts Lab. First one is basically we'll be starting off with the programming language, namely Python. So Python, the syntax is very easy and it's a very easy programming language to learn. So the topics that we are covering is basically aiming from the very basics of Python, from the list, tuples, all those things, to the intermediate level to the advanced level. So along with Python, we'll also be covering NumPy, SQL, Pandas, Matplotlib and all the other dependencies which you require in order to become a data scientist. So in order to cover all these topics, usually you'll take 2 to 3 months. So after you complete Python, the next module is basically machine learning. So machine learning is one of the basic concepts which you have to learn in order to understand deep learning, as well as if you are going to build an application in AI, you'll definitely need to know machine learning. So in machine learning, we'll be learning about 8 to 10 algorithms, which is basically industry oriented. So some of the examples of the algorithms that you're going to learn are logistic regressions, SVM, XGBoost, ensembling techniques. So all the algorithms that we learn are actually from the very basic level to the advanced level, and also we'll be doing use cases also for each of these algorithms. So finally, after you learn all the algorithms and some of the statistical techniques along which is required, we'll be deploying these algorithms or deploying these models which we create using the algorithms learned in AWS. So thus creating an end-to-end pipeline, thus creating a project. So once you complete machine learning, we'll be moving on to deep learning. So even in deep learning also, we'll be starting deep learning with the very basic concepts of how to build basics of neural networks from scratch using Python. And eventually we will be moving on to how to tune these neural networks in Python. Then we'll be going on to deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras. So all these frameworks will be taught at Experts Lab itself. So once you learn all these advanced algorithms, these tuning techniques, you will be able to build your own AI applications like chatbots, face detection modules, object detection modules. All those things can be created by yourself. So deep learning module can also be completed within a span of 3 months, 3 to 4 months. So once you complete the machine learning and deep learning topics, you'll be able to apply for job positions. And some of the job positions in the market right now is for data scientist, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, computer vision engineer and an NLP engineer. So computer vision is a field where you are actually making computers learn from images, and also NLP, which is short for natural language processing, is a field where you are actually making the computers learn from text. So all these techniques will be covered at Experts Lab in detail from the very scratch.
We all use smartphones, but have you ever think about how much data it's generate in form of text, images or emails, etc. So approximately about 40 exabyte of data generated monthly per a smartphone user. So now multiply this amount with 5 billion users, so it's huge. So in fact, this amount of data is large to handle with traditional data process methods. Big data is a field that treats ways to analyze, extract information from data which are too large or complex to be dealt with the traditional data processing methods. Experts Lab provides all the industry required content and tool knowledge for big data, and all of them will be implemented in the class with appropriate project use cases. The course duration for big data analytics is 5 months, including Python basics and technologies like Hadoop, Hive, HBase, Ping, Spark, and much more.
Rather than becoming a tail of a bigger company, we propose a medium company will be good for engineering people's career, because when you join in a medium company with a lot of trained technologies, you get a very huge learning curve, and after that when you go to the same company, bigger companies, you will get better reception. We do projects for Kerala government. We are partnered with CDIT. We are partnered with ASAP and KDISC. And I welcome every engineering students. Be partner with Experts Lab, and we can really help you to become a very good solid programmer plus a software development engineer. And we welcome everyone to Experts Lab.